afternoon everyone, I am Shaurya, he is Amit. So today we will tell you how to lift up an unconscious person from the floor to the bedsheet and then from bedsheet to the stretcher.
Before starting, we have to give you that information that 90% of you will probably have a situation in your life where you will need to use a stretcher. It could be in an accident or to move an old person who has difficulty in moving. That's why we recommend you to listen to us and make stretcher with us.
So if a person is lying unconscious on the floor, we have to spread a bedsheet beside him and then roll the one corner of the bedsheet. And then again take the bedsheet beside the patient.
Then you have to tilt the patient in 90 degrees and get him on the bedsheet. Then you have to tilt him to the opposite direction and open up the folds of the bedsheet.
And then we have to roll the bedsheet from both the sides and gently pick up the patient. So this is how we should prepare a person and unconscious person from the floor to the bedsheet. So now our friends will tell you how to make a household stretcher.
In a situation where we do not have enough equipments to carry out the injured person, we can make a easy stretcher out of 2 bamboos and 1 bedsheet. So for making it, we need to open up a bedsheet and keep 1 bamboo in less than half of it. Less than half. Now roll the bedsheet onto the bamboo properly and keep the second bamboo onto the edge of the rolled bedsheet. Now from this, our half of the bamboo stretcher is complete, and to complete it fully, we need to roll the remaining part of the bedsheet onto the stretcher such that the bedsheet do not slip off the stretcher and the person do not fall. As it was taught to you, how we can carry a person from, how we can shift a person from a bedsheet onto the stretcher. So by using it, we need to do that.
After this, you have to pick up the person from both sides of the stretcher, and you have to make sure that the person is attached to the stretcher. Now, the 2 persons on the stretcher should count to 3 and pick up the stretcher at the same time.
1, 2, 3.
And now, the stretcher is
Assume that he is a fainted person. First, you have to lay his body materially and his hands should be on his chest. Now, very gently, you have to lift his leg from his knees and flip the chair and put the chair under his back. Now, you can see the posture over here. His hip bone is in the contact with the base of his chair. And very gently, you have to lift his hand and put his head on the person's shoulder. Then on count of 3, you have to lift the person. From this, you can take the person to a comfortable position like on a bed or something like that.
So good afternoon everyone. Today we will demonstrate to you how you can make a simple trekking stretcher using minimal things around you. Now imagine you have gone for trekking and someone along gets injured. At that moment you need to take the person to the nearest hospital or to the road where ambulance will come. So at that moment you can make this simple trekking stretcher. For making this you just need 2 things. 2 long and strong sticks, which can be bamboo sticks or some hard and strong woody sticks you find in the forest, and you need some upperwear, which can be sweater or your jacket or your shirt. First of all, you should find the 2 long and strong sticks, and 2 persons should hold them from their respective ends, like this. Now I'll tell you how you should wear the upperwear. You should take the upperwear, put your hand inside the 2 sleeves, and pull your hand out, like this. Then you should hold the 2 ends of the stick and 1 person should push the sweater onto the sticks. We should repeat it 3 to 4 times. Would someone like to come and try? Now we will repeat it 3 to 4 times. Now we should make the person lie gently on the stretcher. We should adjust his legs, his waist and his head. We should make sure that his head is on the upperwear. Then we should pick up the person on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we can take the person to the nearest health center.
Whenever you go trekking, you should make sure that you carry your rope with you. So so that in the times of need you can make a stretcher and then you can help the person out. There are a few steps that you need to follow to make the stretcher. If you learn these steps, then you will be able to make the stretcher easily. The first step is to fold the rope into half and find its midpoint. After finding the midpoint, you need to make equal loops on either side of the midpoint. You need to make sure that your rope is long and strong enough to hold the weight of the person. After making the loops, you need to make one knot along every loop. The distance between every knot should be equal so that your stretcher is symmetrical. After making the knots, you need to pass the remaining rope through every knot and tighten the knots.